Hello, Internet! This is LordMaddog, and I'm coming at you with another tutorial for my SOULSLIKE project. And this time we're going to be talking about saving new variables. So in the last episode, I was creating a new variable called our item crafted in our stats component. Now, this thing needs to be saved and loaded at runtime so that the player will always have track of it. And so we're going to go ahead and talk about how to do that. First thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to find our game, our save game. So we have two save game systems here. We have our save game and our save settings. These are basically going to end up being kind of the same, okay? But in this case, we also have our save build items. We actually have a lot of different types of things that we're saving in this one. I forgot. So anyway, this one, we are going to be messing with our save game because this is going to be the one that's actually the character based. All right. So we're going to go we're going to open up our B save game. We have it opened here, and we're going to need, these are all the variables that we are currently saving. So we need to add a new variable. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go ahead and copy this. We can copy or Control C, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to select at the bottom and hit Control V, which is going to paste this. So now we will have this in our save game. Oh, nope. I did this. No, not in my game instance, my save game instance. Here we are. Control V. Make sure you put it in the right place. My V save game. Yes. Now we need to go to what I was just in, our game instance. This is where we save and load all of our stuff in our game instance. So we'll see here. This is my save game event craft in my game instance. So we have saves, auto saves not here. So this is my save game, the slot, and we're right here going to save slot. Right here, we hit save game, and we're going to need to be saving our stats component stats. So we have this all set up here. Let's go ahead and move. All my stat components are at the very beginning, so we're going to grab all of this and move it down. Move it all the way down. So in this case, we're going to grab off our save game here. We see it hits all this line comes off the top here. We're going to, was it crafted items? I think it was crafted items. We're going to set our save game's crafted items right here, which means we have to get our stat components saved items. So we're going to take this item. Crafted. There we are. And we're gonna pop it in there. And now it is being saved to our system. Now all we have to do is load it back every time we come into the game. Every time we load the player character. So we're gonna doop. There we go. Now that's saved. Let's go ahead and load. So we go back into our system here, and we need to find our load. Now this is a little bit harder to find. We have load game here, and then we have a delay load. So this is part 2, load game part 2. I had this because originally I need to have a delay when I was loading, which was just bad game design. Now I don't have to, I just fix things up so I don't actually have to have a delay. So I'm still using the delay load. Let's just in case I ever do make a mistake and I do need to have a delay load. So this is load game part 2. This is just a continuation of this because originally the experience was not loading fast enough. And it was just the way I had it all done. So right here, we're going to load game part 2, and we're going to find our save component and our stats component. And once again, we got all right here, save component, player stats component, and we're going to go ahead and add it loading the thing to our load order right here. So this is all that's being loaded. This is a lot being loaded when you come into a game, and that's totally fine. Depending on how complicated your game, you might only have a couple variables you're saving, or in my case, with a system with I think 18 systems attached to it. So that's 18 different systems all working together. It's a decent amount of systems. I can't remember exactly. It's either 10 or 18. It's in that area. I can't remember exactly. It depends on what you classify as systems. Anyway, here we need to grab our player stats. In this case, we are going to remove that. We don't need that there. Okay, here, stats component. We're going to set our items crafted. There we are, items crafted. And we're going to get the data for our items crafted from our save games. Here we are. Items crafted. What just happened? Oh, no S. Item craft. It should be items. Oh well. Get the item crafted. And ta-da. That is how it works. It's perfectly fine. You know, let's actually move this a bit back. Let's move this up here so these don't. This is just all about lining things up for my own sake. All right, so I can just drag this back over. Like I said, there's a lot of things being saved and loaded at runtime. Thankfully, the computer is 1,000 times faster than 1,000,000 times faster than what I could possibly think, so I don't have the problem with it. There we are, and the load actually only takes a few seconds. So we're now saving, compile, and we see items crafted. So if I were to come in here, hit play, let's craft. Status screen UI backup 2. What's going on with you? It's just something that's not matter anymore. Don't know why it's telling me it's got broken. Because max weight doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, I removed that. That's nice. Yes. We don't need you at all. You're just a backup. Okay. Sorry about that. We can go and hit play. All right. Now, when I craft an item, see our achievement things. Our achievement. Right now, we have nothing. And we're going to go ahead and, here we are. Sewn sword. We're going to craft you. Take too long to craft. But anyway, it's crafting. There we are. Come on, finish up, buddy. There we are. Now we crafted, and we look, see here, our achievements. We'll see we crafted something. Yay! And I can even claim my reward, which I'm not going to because it'll just fill my inventory full of other things I don't need right now. Okay, so we're going to also need to craft the bottom one. Inventory. Nope, I can't craft it. Gotta grab the herbs first. Also, I want to update my skill here. That way, don't take as long to craft. Reset crafting. There we go. Here we are. And we're going to craft the health potion. There we are, crafting the health potion. Health potion crafted. And we'll see it in our save achievements. It is crafted there. Now, all I have to do is save. I've got to fix that so that little escape should actually exit everything. Oh, okay, that is very annoying. Let's go settings. Not settings, save. We're going to go just save test. Test. There we are, save test, save. We're going to continue, and then we're actually going to exit the escape bar here. And hit play. Ta-da! And if I open C, it should have saved that we have crafted. Yes, see, we have crafted. So that is now saving that our settings. And like I said, I gotta fix that so it exits both. And that is adding something to the save and loading. It's really easy, really simple. It just you add your new variable, and then you save your new variable, and then you load your new variable. You just gotta make sure you set them right. And that's pretty much it. I hope you have enjoyed this quick tutorials. If you have likes and comments are always welcome. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to ask. LordMaddog signing off.